guys, welcome back to the Turbo John YouTube channel. I'm still over here at Brian's B&K Performance. We're working on the race car still. So let me show you what we got going on today. Today is Thursday, it's race day. Galot Motorsports Park, we were planning on hitting up, but they got canceled. It's raining, there's some scattered storms. So we're gonna get done with these doors and then we're gonna look at the weather. If the weather looks okay, then Kinston, they have not canceled yet. They're doing their Race Your Way On tonight, so we can go down there and get some passes. So we'll see what happens, I don't know. Check it out. Okay, so last time you saw these doors, I had the glass in it. These were the ones that were in there down here below, and you can see they were painted. So we had some plexiglass. So I spent the other night taking all these out. Basically, they just screw right into the door here. So we unscrewed them, got the new plexiglass that is nice and clear, molded it to the door, got it where it fits perfectly. Well, semi-perfect. It's not exactly the same, but that's okay. You can see the ends down here, they go out, and this one right here is just going to stop. And these doors used to have a mirror on them at some point, it looks like. So we may end up putting a mirror back on it at some point, or either filling these in at a later time. But it is what it is. It's okay. Not too bad. So now today, we're going to stick these windows in the doors. And all we did on the plexiglass is we marked it off. I had never done this before. This is the inside edge. And so we just marked off the inside, taped it up, put some paper on it, and then spray painted the inside of it black. And so when it goes in the car, now you can see on this side it's nice and shiny, and it should hold up pretty good. And my taping skills are not the best, but it'll look okay. So this is what we're going to do. Let's stick these things in the car and see how it turns out. Beat that lightning and that rain. It's gonna be a miracle. It's all right. We're here. It says we got about an hour according to the AccuWeather. I don't know if that's accurate.
What about the ones on the bottom?
I don't even know where it is. They were up here.
We're gonna have to find those. I'll find those.
Boy, I hate being this late.
It's all right.
All this is good.
I check.
Yeah, all this is good. Oh.
Can't reach that, bro.
Which one?
The back one.
It should be on.
I mean, I'm just telling you, I didn't check it.
Oh, it's on. Yeah, we didn't take that. Up here in stage lane. We're gonna get one pass. The tune-up is exactly like it was when we were at Piedmont last time, so I have no idea what it's gonna do. I think it went a 530 last time. That should have been like a 523, so we're lighter weight in the gear. Let's see what happens. Okay guys, that was a turtle. That was the exact same tune-up from Piedmont last time. 129, 60 foot. I had to pedal it a couple times. 373, 562 at 133. The line is TPS. It left on 5.6 pounds of boost. Yes, though, what I was trying to get to accomplish definitely happened. The converter is tighter here. It flashed to 5400 and then started pulling up. That's exactly what I was hoping was going to happen. And then right there, that was at 1.3 seconds into the run, I pedaled it. So I was past the 60 foot, so I went at 139.
So yeah, right there where you usually blow them off at's where it let go.
Right. That was, so we need to figure out how to make it get through there. It only had, at that point right there, it had 18 pounds of boost. And then I pedaled it again down track, 7,900. And then I don't know if that spun or if I had left it in first gear there. So, I mean, and I pedaled it out there and then I eased back
About
on it.
60 feet. You kind of kicked it out sideways there a little bit. And then it got up, you saved it from getting out of the groove. And then right when you straighten back up,
the tires out there.
Smoked the tires. That's where you pedaled it.
Okay.
And then right about there, it looks like it smoked them again.
Yeah, okay, so this right up here, I did shift it. I shifted it right here, and that was at 2.2 seconds into the run. 8,000 RPM, it fell back 6,900, and it knocked the tires off. And so that right there is where I pedaled it that second time. That 10.8 PSI may not be the best thing.
What do you want? 12?
Yeah, we may need to go back up to 12 with it.
11 and a half?
What were we at?
We're at 13.
How did the track feel up there?
It's not sticky.
It's not sticky. I mean, that ought to be a right air pressure.
What's that, 10.8?
10.8. Let's, yeah, we'll decide what we're going to do. Well, I don't even know if we're going to get to make another pass. We need to look at the weather. It's lightning around
we
us
need to go up there.
like crazy. So we got to make some changes. Okay, guys, I think I'm going to have to change my bar angles again. This thing is separating pretty violent. So the anti-squat is definitely more than 100%. And I think it's planting the tire too hard. It went on out there pretty fast. 129, 60 foot. You could hear the tires. I mean, they're just hollering. Now this thing is a little bit nose heavy. Now I ended up turning the boost down. I had it on 35 pounds of dome pressure at a 3-second ramp. So now I think it's at like a 2-second ramp for 25 pounds and I'm leaving harder. So I'm gonna try to stick the tire. We got 11 pounds of air pressure. I don't know if that's right or not. Randy also got up under there, last minute decision. We tightened a rebound. We tightened the extension 4 clicks and we'll see what that does. That should make it so that it separates a little bit slower and hopefully does not hit the tire as hard. It's still going to try to separate though. So I think what I'm going to end up probably having to do is this thing's going to have to go back to bar angle that is less than 100%. So hopefully it works out good. I don't know. We'll see. Check it out. Okay, so here's the data log from that pass. It didn't really work. I mean, it took off, had a 132.60 foot, and I got out there and spun. That was spun at 1.10 is where I let go to when I actually lifted. So that tried to lift too hard, and then I got out there and then pedaled it and then eased back on the throttle out there down track. Turned the boost down. It made 23.5, 23.6 pounds of boost. So that was 138 mile per hour. So that's not terrible. I mean, mile per hour wise, I mean, for that boost. So we got a bunch of work to do. I think we might have time to get one more pass in. It was lightning all around us, and we run through a bunch of rain on the way here. But we might have a chance to get one more in. So we're gonna go up there, and I'm gonna put 35 pounds of dome pressure on it, way down track at like 3.5 seconds into the run, and so we'll see if it's able to take that or not. I still don't know. Oh, never mind, it's raining. I just felt raindrops. Do that? How fast y'all go? I said, how fast y'all go?
Oh, 20s.
That's fine. Jason Tyson with he's got the big stacker over there with the $150,000 race car in it.
Yeah.
Look, I'm pocket watching. I'm watching them pockets.
Yeah. You don't really leave that big trailer with that little truck.
The motorhome was too big to bring tonight. Look, Jason come over here trying to be friendly, and we give him a hard time.
I'm getting raped over here.
Jason, he shares a bunch of information with us. I always appreciate it.
How'd you do the last time?
39 or 36.
But how did the
39.
car feel better?
It was all over the place. I gotta change. I gotta change stuff. I got a lot of work to do. I don't know what I'm doing apparently.
I was told today you need to get let watch car help.
Who?
Brian.
Yeah, Brian's car's. I mean, his car's working
Shannon
good.
swears up. Shannon told me today. He said Brian's good on that slick.
Yeah, I mean, Brian's car is working great. Brian I tried to talk him into coming with me today, but his air conditioner went out at the house, so it didn't work out. I don't know what to do. It's kicking me in the teeth.
I just got underestimated the post.
Right.
I went a 20 and a 20.
Woo! It's fixing to rain. That's where we're at. Oh yeah, it's sprinkling. We ain't gonna get another pass.
I went a 20 and a 20, and I thought we were good, but Taylor Wiley edged me out.
He said it was fast. He said he can run quick down there. But this is fun. I mean, I got 2 passes. I got some work to do. I think I got a game plan what I'm gonna do tonight. I'm gonna change around the lower bar some more. It's trying to plant the tire hard. Yeah. It's got probably 120, 130% anti-squat. And that's just too much. Yeah, Jason's not a fan of the Hoosiers at all. I mean, that could be it.
You asked David Braxton and Thurman Braxton. They bought 2 brand new sets the other week, and they trying to give them away. Brand new.
Tell them to bring them over here if they're free.
Oh, he will. 29 W's. His poor daddy right wrecked the truck 3 times. They're good tracks. He wouldn't even try to leave.
We couldn't put a 29W on this thing if we had to.
I might have to go to a Mickey Thompson slick. I mean,
I'm telling you, man,
I don't
Mickey
know.
Thompson.
I've got a set of right over there on the ground. I got my Pro Bracket radios on another set of rims. If I go to Outer Banks, I might take them. I might put them on it. I mean, tomorrow or Saturday. I might go to Piedmont tomorrow. I don't know what I'm gonna do.
That was the first place Thurman run the Hoosiers.
Right.
And he was so mad. He thought David had moved the bars on the truck.
All right, guys. Well, we got to make 2 passes, and the last pass was reasonable, but man, this thing is kicking my tail. It just really is kicking my tail. A good, reasonably prepped radial prep track, I can put radials on it and go right down, go 470s, 480s, not a lick of problems. Good thing is this 390 gear, I think is the right move. I think it's the right step in the right direction. Jason Tyson swears, he's like, these Hoosiers, you need to get them off the car. Y'all heard him. He was like, you got to get rid of the Hoosiers. That could be the bulk of my problem. The car is still got some anti-squat in it where it's at, so that's got to change. Get it to where like 100%. That's what it's going to have on the slicks. So these Hoosiers may be coming off, and I may put Mickey Thompson's on it. Hoosiers work great on a bunch of cars. I mean, maybe I'm just trying to go way too fast for what they can go on a prep track, because the track is not no prep. Now, a lot of people run the Hoosiers on full no prep. I have not had these on full no prep, so I don't know how it's going to work out if we do it. But I don't know. This thing's just kicking my butt. There's a race tomorrow night at Piedmont, and so we may go check that out. I don't know for sure. But Outer Banks is happening on Saturday, so possibly on Saturday we'll go there. But both of those tracks are going to be sticky. I could probably put radios on it and make it work. So now I'm struggling. Do I want to, put the radios on it and do those 2, or try to make this thing work on the slicks? I feel like I need to make it work on the slicks. There's people that'll be down there will be on slicks, and they'll be able to go fast on slicks. Jason Tyson and them, they've got a slick car and it's flying on sticky tracks. So, I mean, you know, I just got to figure it out. I got to figure it out and figure out what I need to do. All right, guys, y'all comment, like, and subscribe. Go to turbojohnracing.com to pick you up some t-shirts. Make sure you join the channel if you guys are interested in our weekly tech talks. And we do those once a week on Wednesday nights. We have fun, ham it up, and talk about other people's combos. We have other people on there, you know, people that are watching the channel. We get them live and showing us their cars, sending us pictures and videos. It's fun. All right, guys, see y'all soon.